Magandang gabi mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer dyan. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Meron akong mga nahunt na coins ngayon. Itong isa ay 2016 to mga kaibigan. Itong isa ay 2012. Ganda niya mga kaibigan Ang gandang 2012. Tsaka to, napakagandang 2010 Ang gwapo nila. Ang tawag nito, sila Apolinario Mabini at Andres Bonifacio. Ang gwapo nila dito. Yung buhok nila, klarong-klaro yung buhok nila Pati yung likod manipis yung likod niya. Akala ko nga kanina 2017, pagkapako ay 2017 siguro to. Pagbuklat ko, pagtingin ko 2010. Ganda Frosted dye. Tsaka to mga kaibigan, 2019 Nonagon. Ano to mga kaibigan medium cut edge ng 2019. Tsaka ito mga kaibigan galing ito kay Sir Jomar. Sir Jomar, shout out sa'yo. Ito yung coins na binenta mo Ito mga kaibigan, ang value nito sa Pilipinas ay 16. Pero binili ko sa kanya ito ng 50 pesos. Tsaka to, itong 1 rupee na to. 1 rupee. 50 pesos na bili ko sa kanya. 100 itong dalawa. Binayaran ko siya ng 100 dyan. Ito nga pala mga kaibigan, pag-usapan natin to. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe. Pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload na video. Pa-like na rin at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. So pag-usapan natin ito mga kaibigan. Ito yung hari ngayon, kasalukuyang hari ngayon ng Thailand. Si Jiralongkorn. Ito yung hari ng Thailand ngayon. Jiralongkorn. Born July 28, 1952, is King of Thailand. He is 10th monarch of Thailand from the Chakri Dynasty, styled as Rama X, the only son of King Bhumibol Adulyadej, Rama IX, and Queen Sirikit. He was made crown prince by his father in 1972 at the age of 20. After his father's death on October 13, 2016, he was expected to ascend to the Thai throne, but asked for time to mourn before taking the throne. He accepted the government retroactively declared his reign to have begun on October 13, 2016 upon his father's death, age 64 at that time. Jiralongkorn became the oldest Thai monarch to ascend to the throne. He is the wealthiest monarch in the world. with a net worth established to be between $30 billion and $70 billion. Budgie Longhorn was born on July 28, 1952 at 17:45, alas 5 ng hapon, mga kaibigan, mag-alas 6, in the Ampon Satan Residential Hall of the Dusit Palace in Bangkok. When the Crown Prince was 1 year old, Samdet Pra Sangkarat Chow Kruma Luwang Vijayanagara Ranana Bongsi, the 13th Supreme Patriarch of Thailand of the Rantakusin era, gave the child his first name at birth, Vajiralongkorn Bromka Krayadisam Santatiwong Kiti Sirisam Bonsawangwat Bromka Kli Yaraja Kuman. Vajiralongkorn began his education in 1956 when the entered kindergarten at the Chitralada School in Dusit Palace. After completing Mutayum 1 grade 7, he was sent to be educated at private school in the United Kingdom, first at a prep school King Med, Seaford, Sussex, and then at Mayfield School in Somerset, where he completed his secondary education in July 1970. In August 1970, he attended a 5-week military training course at the King's School in Sydney, Australia. Wow. Excuse me. In 1972, the prince enrolled at the Royal Military College, Jumiton in Canberra, Australia. His education at Dantron was divided into 2 parts: military training by the Australian Army and a bachelor degree course under the auspices of the University of New South Wales. He graduated in 1976 as a new lieutenant with a liberal arts degree. In 1982, he completed a secondary bachelor degree in law with second-class honor at Sukhothai Thammasat Open University. Vajiralongkorn was proclaimed Crown Prince on December 28, 1972 at 12:23 in the Ananta Samakhon Throne Hall, making him the 3rd Crown Prince at the Chakri dynasty, and except from the royal command to establish the title of His Royal Highness Crown Prince Maha Vajiralongkorn Ridge. As stated in the best or the country royal statutes, when a royal prince who is destined to to be heir to the throne is matured, the king shall generously bestow the rank upon him of Samdet para yaparat mongkol Chakuman. At this present time, all people, including citizens of nationwide, shall accept and acclaim that His Royal Highness Prince Bajilongkorn shall succeed to the throne of the kingdom when His Royal Highness Prince is mature at the time that shall be established as heir to the throne. Tradition at the royal tradition, kati ceremony should be observed consistent with the citizen and all leaders of the country. Excuse me po. Of all leaders of the country, of all sides. Therefore, Her Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej hereby decrees for His Royal Highness Prince Bajilongkorn to be His Royal Highness Crown Prince Maha Bajilongkorn per the name written in the Supanabat as Samdet pra Baruma orasitirat Chow Pamaha Wurachu Tiara Santiwong Mahi Talapong Adulyadej Chakri Naris Yupariyarap Bisot Syampakarumat Traka Kuman. Yun yung buhay ni Bajilongkorn. Si Bajilongkorn ngayon, mga kaibigan, siya yung hari ngayon kasalukuyan ng Thailand. So mga kaibigan, punta na tayo sa kanyang presyo. Ang presyo niya, mga kaibigan, excuse me po, itong hawak ko, ito yung year niya, oh. Ang year na hawak ko ay ang 2018. Very fine, 27, extra fine, 37, almost uncirculated, 40, 51 ang uncirculated. Tama lang naman na bili ko ng 50 pala to. Sorry, excuse me po. Pero ang value lang talaga niya mga kaibigan sa peso. Ayan o. 16 pesos. Puna tayo sa 2019. Extra fine 13 pesos, almost uncirculated 29, 64 ang uncirculated. Dalawa ang 2019. Large bronze center mint bag. Dalawang klase pala yan. Di bale. Hanapin natin yan. Yung isang 2019 extra fine 32, almost uncirculated 100. 100 ang uncirculated. 2020, uncirculated lang 29. 2021, 19 extra fine, almost uncirculated 35, 110 ang uncirculated. Mahal din pala itong coins na to. So mga kaibigan, baka naman pwede maglambing ng subscribe. Pa-press na subscribe, pa-press na notification bell, pa-select ng all para ma-notify kayo pag ako nag-upload ng video. Palike na rin ang video at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi.